The hypothetical Autobacs Car 2026, assuming it's a futuristic vehicle from Autobacs 7 Co., Limited, a real Japanese automotive parts and service company. Since the car itself is fictional or hasn't been released yet, this article takes a creative yet plausible approach. The Autobacs Car 2026, a bold leap into the future of mobility. Introduction. In 2026, the automotive landscape is undergoing a seismic shift. Traditional car makers are being joined day and sometimes challenged day by unexpected innovators. One such bold move comes from Autobacs 7 Co., Limited, the Japanese automotive retail giant. Known primarily for selling car accessories, maintenance parts, and running retail outlets, Autobacs has now made a surprising and ambitious pivot, launching its very own car. Dubbed the Autobacs Car 2026, this vehicle isn't just a product, it's a statement. It represents a bold new direction for the company and a redefinition of what a 21st century automobile should be. Marrying cutting-edge technology, eco-conscious design, and the DIY spirit of Japanese car culture, the Autobacs Car 2026 is set to make waves globally. A vision beyond conventional design. At first glance, the Autobacs Car 2026 is unmistakably unique. It defies classification into standard categories like sedan, crossover, or hatchback. Instead, it blends these forms into a highly functional and stylish compact utility vehicle. The car's body is composed of modular panels, a nod to Autobacs' roots in auto parts and customization. These panels are lightweight, durable, and designed for quick swapping or repair, reducing long-term maintenance costs and environmental waste. Owners can even choose panel upgrades in terms of material, recycled composites, carbon fiber blends, or standard polymers, or color. The vehicle's minimalist aesthetic reflects Japanese design sensibilities, clean lines, a symmetrical layout, and soft edges that give it a futuristic yet approachable look. Integrated LED lighting strips provide both illumination and stylistic flair, while an adaptive aerodynamic profile adjusts in real time to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. Interior, a customizable sanctuary. Inside, the Autobacs Car 2026 feels more like a tech-integrated living room than a traditional vehicle. The cabin is designed around three key principles: adaptability, comfort, and connectivity. 1. Adaptability. Modular seating and retractable surfaces allow the cabin to be converted from a conventional seating arrangement into a mobile workspace, lounge, or even a sleep pod. This is especially useful in urban areas where people spend significant time in traffic or waiting for services. 2. Comfort. The use of sustainable materials like bamboo, recycled fabrics, and eco-leather creates a soft and welcoming ambience. Climate control is achieved through a zoned air purification and temperature system that adjusts individually to each passenger's preference. 3. Connectivity. The dashboard features a large LED touchscreen, integrated with Autobacs' proprietary operating system, AutoCore. The OS syncs seamlessly with mobile devices, home automation systems, and cloud-based AI assistants. Voice control, biometric access, and eye tracking ensure safety and ease of use. Performance and powertrain. One of the defining features of the Autobacs Car 2026 is its electric powertrain. But it's more than just an FA, it's a modular, scalable mobility platform. Battery and range. The car uses a modular battery system that allows owners to upgrade or swap battery packs based on their needs. A standard configuration offers 400 kilometers of range, but with an additional underfloor module, the range extends to 650 kilometers. Fast charging capabilities enable a 0-80% charge in just 18 minutes, using Autobacs' own nationwide charging network. Motor and drive options. Customers can choose between rear-wheel drive, standard, and all-wheel drive, premium, variants. The motors offer smooth, rapid acceleration with a 0–100 km per hour time of under 5.8 seconds for the AWD version A Sporty, but tuned for efficiency and urban use. Regenerative braking and an AI-based energy management system optimize efficiency based on driving habits and terrain. Safety and autonomy. Safety remains a core pillar of the Autobacs Car 2026. In addition to standard features like lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, the vehicle offers Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities. This means the car can drive itself under certain conditions, such as on highways and in low-speed urban settings. LiDAR, radar, and high-definition cameras combine to create a 360-degree safety shield around the vehicle. Additionally, Autobacs has incorporated a predictive collision system that learns from previous near-miss data across the fleet to enhance driver assistance in real time. To support older drivers, a major demographic in Japan now, the car includes features like simplified driving modes, medical alert systems, and even a real-time link to family or caretakers via the onboard health monitoring suite. Environmental commitment. Autobacs has long championed car maintenance and longevity over wasteful replacements. The 2026 car takes this philosophy further. 100% recyclable chassis, all frame components can be fully recycled or remanufactured. Eco Mode AI, an intelligent drive mode that automatically chooses the most eco-efficient routes, speeds, and braking behaviors. Solar panels, optional roof panels provide auxiliary charging for cabin electronics and climate control systems. Furthermore, the production process uses energy-efficient robotics and low-emission manufacturing practices, making the car not just clean to drive but clean to build. The aftermarket advantage. Where the Autobacs Car 2026 truly shines is in its aftermarket potential. This is, after all, the company's bread and butter. Unlike most modern cars, which are tightly sealed and unfriendly to modification, the Autobacs Car invites personalization. A proprietary open mod platform allows third-party developers and DIY enthusiasts to create add-ons from performance upgrades to aesthetic tweaks using a cloud-based certification system to ensure safety and compatibility. Owners can visit Autobacs stores to get official upgrades installed or purchase modular parts for self-installation. This opens an entirely new market for modders, hobbyists, and small businesses. Pricing and availability. Autobacs has taken a bold approach with pricing. By offering a base model starting at just AN 2.8 million, approximately $18,000, the company is targeting young drivers, city dwellers, and eco-conscious buyers. Higher-end models with extended range, autonomous features, and premium interiors can go up to EN 4.5 million, $29,000, still competitive with many Fs in the same segment. The car will initially launch in Japan, followed by phased releases in select Asian and European markets by the end of 2026. The US market is expected to receive the vehicle in 2027, pending regulatory approvals. A cultural shift. The Autobacs Car 2026 is not just a vehicle, it's a cultural and commercial experiment. By fusing retail know-how, user customization, and sustainability, Autobacs is creating something that goes beyond transportation. It challenges the monopoly of traditional automakers and offers a democratic alternative, a car that reflects its owner, can grow with their needs, and remains loyal to the ethos of Japanese craftsmanship and innovation. For Japan, a country grappling with an aging population, urban congestion, and sustainability challenges, this car might mark the beginning of a new era, one where the lines between product, service, and culture blur seamlessly. Final thoughts. Autobacs has done what few expected, stepped into the arena of vehicle manufacturing with confidence, clarity, and a genuine sense of purpose. The Autobacs Car 2026 isn't trying to compete with Teslas or Toyotas directly. Instead, it's carving its own niche, one that aligns with its heritage and vision for the future. If successful, this vehicle may not only redefine Autobacs as a brand but also set a new standard for how cars are built, sold, and lived with. It's the kind of leap that changes an industry, or at least gives it something exciting to talk about. Subscribe. You're my Chanel MVP bike #car #bike #truck.